to a casino. Somebody the other day. Thing on the country radio station here in Havertras, and it's a contest. So anybody that can call in and give them the name of who the recorded
that's a close.
He said, who the hell was it? And I said, Bobby Helms. He said, goddamn, I knew that was it.
Say something.
Not a moment you want to say for prosthetics, right?
Film in that camera.
That's what I gotta do.
What the hell is that thing?
Say something to Karen, Gene.
Hey, Karen, how you doing? Ah, see that, Karen? She did it. Hey, Karen, you know what one of these things is? Hey, David. Hey, Karen. That blind and David, it was nothing. It was nothing. Don't worry about it. Nothing.
Didn't mean a thing. Didn't mean nothing.
Just a passing fancy. It was pretty fancy now that I think of it.
80 years old. She's a blonde. I said she's 80 years old at the next table.
Take a picture of it. You like it? Like it looks so beautiful. Beautiful. He knows the best. Best
We're leaving the
Jay Richardson, my man. Everybody know who Jay Richardson supporting it?
Something
Give yourselves a big hand. Come on.
Almost everything.
A little bigger than that. Due to conflicts in my schedules, I have to leave. I have another thing going on. It's unfortunate, but it happens. It has been my pleasure. I want to see all you guys at St. Michael's Sunday. I'm going to try to make it uptown tomorrow night, but I have somebody that's joining the Life of the Living Dead tomorrow afternoon, so I got a wedding to do. But I want you guys to enjoy the evening and really have fun. And believe me, I will be here, which is not in body, but in spirit. All right, so everybody, hey, next year we'll make it bigger and better. Right? Right, okay. And now I'll turn it over to my man, Corky. He's going to have the live entertainment coming up pretty soon, right?
The person that was sitting there.
All right, everybody. See you at St. Michael's and see you at the cruises. Thanks for all the clubs that came out and support the dance. All the clubs. All right, Nostalgia Nights. I see Corvettes Unlimited. Who else is here? The Legends are here. My man, right. South Jersey Mustangs. Who else is here? Who? The Rod Throwers. All right. And just a lot of good people out to have a good time tonight. All right, Cork, here you go.
Ladies and gentlemen, a nice round of applause for Rockin' Eddie.
Yeah.
All right. All right, the first order of business is I have a purse here. Kind of like a, you must be in the food line.
That's nothing
I did
unusual.
$2.
$2? Do I hear $3? Do I? $4. I have it here, it is safe. I have it here, it is very safe. Is it yours? Is it yours? You're not getting it back. You're not getting it back. No. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It was Linda Schimmel who sat at the Mid-Atlantic table and she was bumped. I'm sorry you got bumped, Linda. I'm sorry. We're going to speak with Linda a little later on tonight. We're going to speak with a lot of people. We have a lot of great people here tonight. A lot of VIPs, a lot of very important people. We're going to be starting the live entertainment very, very shortly, but we're going to have a few more minutes of recorded music for your listening pleasure. While you're eating, that way you don't have to stand there and let the band miss it, kind of. I'll never forget. I missed something one time. All right.
Don't shoot the piano player.
On her, as all of you did. Ladies and gentlemen, the legendary Sally Starr.
Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I sure hope you feel as good as you look, because you sure look good to your gal Sal. I used to say that every evening when I went on TV. How many of you are my baby boomers? Oh, God bless you. You're really sweethearts, let me tell you, and I love every one of you. Boy, I'm gonna have a good time. I'm going cruising tomorrow night down Landis Avenue. Yep, I'm crazy about a Ford truck. No. Now that is a commercial that's on by Alan Jackson. Then he does Mercury Blues, you know. So anyway, I drive a Ford truck from Lilliston Ford. It is a Ford van, and I love it. I really love it. I hold that old thing. It's like, feels to me like an 18-wheeler sometimes, but I still get there just to say, hey, listen, I'm not going to take up a lot of, how much time do I have, Cork?
As long as you want.
Oh, Lord, you shouldn't have said that. How many of you listen to my program on Sunday mornings? On WVOT. Well, I'll tell you, they just turned me loose and let me do what I want to do and say what I want to say. Sometimes I get pretty close to the edge, but if I pull up the reins tight and hang on for dear life. But I'd like to introduce one of our new people that has just joined our staff, Christina Patterson. Stand up, Christina. She is... Now, I don't want to hear any snickers when I say this, but she's a new intern coming to our station. Did you get it? New intern. All right. What are you doing? You just mind your manners or I'll turn Kim loose on you. That's my friend Bill Henderson. He and I work a lot of remotes. He's from WVLT. He'll be down there for the cruise tomorrow night. You got something in there? Huh? You got a car in there? What kind of a car? What is it? A 59 Buick? Holy moly, that's almost as old as I am. I'll be 76 years old, ladies and gentlemen, January the 25th. And just like all good cars, I haven't started on my retreads yet. But do you have any questions you want to ask me? I've already told you now how old I am. I'm not married, I'm not looking. Oh, I'm looking. But not hard, okay? What did you say? That you're bad. You are bad. What?
Drive me crazy.
What are you saying? Are you I don't. Yeah, tell me. A dirty old cowboy, that figures. That figures. Any more questions? What's the name of my horse? Well, my horse's name was Pal, but Pal died a few years ago. And so did Silver Cane, so did Rustic Rhythm, and so did Mr. Lucky. So I'm horseless today, okay, except for my Ford truck. But they all lived a wonderful life. As a matter of fact, in our age, Pal was 110 years old in our age. And he did exactly what he wanted to do that made him happy, and that was absolutely nothing. He was a happy horse. Any other questions? Yes, sir. Both of them were my sponsors. Yes, Coca Marsh was the first half, Bosco was the second half. I got to tell you a story. Would you want to hear a story that actually happened about that? Okay. Well, my crew, as you knew, was as crazy as me. And I was the first one that introduced Kentucky Fried Chicken. Colonel Sanders used to come into my show every Christmas and we'd go down to Bookbinders. That man could eat more oysters than any human being I ever seen. You know, but getting back to my story, we had live commercials then, and we had our Bosco syrup, and the guys had a little refrigerator back in the crew lounge where they were supposed to keep their hands off my milk, you know, but they didn't. But they forgot to tell me. So instead of milk I was mixing my Bosco with, it was chalk water. My Girl Scout honor. And I stirred up chocolate in that, and I was in the middle of a commercial and had 30 seconds to go yet on it, you know, and I couldn't stop. I took this big mouthful of chalk water and Bosco, and I stood there and I thought, oh Lord. I said, boy, that's good. I swallowed it real fast. And my God, as soon as the commercial was over, I said, it's cartoon time. And I ran outside the studio door, and I grabbed Vinnie Gasparo and Al Albanian, and I threw up all over them. I fixed them. But those are just some of the things that happened to. One time during Christmas time, on the Hires root beer, they put a double shot in there. Yeah. Well, anyway, we used to have a lot of fun, do a lot of things, and those were the good old days, believe me. There is a little rumble going around now. The station has offered me a position back on Channel 6, which is WPVI. I would go in and tape it once a week. However, it's just in the talking stages. We haven't gotten to this yet. So I told Rebecca, show me the money. But my one stipulation is I want to know what cartoons they are going to have me introduce, because I refuse to put some of the cartoons on that they're showing today. I don't like it. And why in the world do they have this, what's his name, this guy shows people fighting and heing and sheing and sheing and sheing, all of that stuff. What's his name? Not Beavis and Butthead. No, this live man, he's not he should be a cartoon. Jerry Springer.
Oh, he's my hero. Oh, I love him.
Now, why in the world do these smart people, right? Why do they put him on at 3 o'clock in the afternoon when children are home alone from school? Most parents are working. Hey, that program's all right, but after everybody's gone to bed. But I'll tell you, I've never seen anything like it. I said, is that the human race or what? And some of these guys that get on there dressed up like women, I can't tell the difference. I guess I'm old-fashioned or too much of a country girl. I don't know. But I like my fellers. You know. Any other questions? Oh, if you notice, I have a couple of wounds. I almost lost this finger about 3 days ago. I decided I bought some new electric edge cutters, and I decided I was going to try them out. And heck, I've done this before in my life, you know. But my dog Pierre wanted to help. So he come running toward me as I was getting ready to cut, like this. And if I had not cut myself, I would have gone right through his head. So I hit the stop button, it didn't work. So I grabbed the blade. I looked on the ground. There wasn't any finger down there, but because I couldn't see my finger for the blood. So I went in the house, and you can still see my trail where I left the backyard clear on in. You know, I never got a bit excited. Today I had a personal appearance. There's 13 stitches inside and out on this thing. Today I was going to do I did do a personal appearance at TRIS, which is for mentally incapacitated young adults. I was there. And I said, if they see my hand, they had it all wrapped up. You know, bandages all over it. Huge. It scared me to look at it even. And I said, I'm not going in there looking like this. So I called my friend. I said, bring me over some Band-Aids. I got 3 Band-Aids on this one, 2.5 on this one here. And it's just fine. It is just fine. And I still keep hitting the end of my finger to see that the nerve is open. It's perfect. I think I've talked enough, don't you think?
Yes.
Well, I could do the dance if I wasn't almost 75 or 76, okay? But anyway, we're going to have a lot of entertainment. I have some pictures for you. I see Fran from Millville sitting over there. Pat is working tonight. Your dad is. How's he doing?
It's all right. It's great. It's working hard.
Okay, good. Give him my love, will you? That's Fran that calls me every Sunday on my program. Over here, the fellow that brings me donuts and coffee is at our table. He's from Vineland. Arthur from Vineland. There's Art. I looked up and seen him, and I said, what are you doing here? And sitting with him is his friend Rosie Posey Pudding. Yep. They both went to Nashville with me on a tour down to Branson, Missouri. I think I've talked enough. I'll do, there is Rosie. Yeah, thanks, Rosie. You're a good girl, okay? Did you get enough to eat? Okay, sit down now, Art. Ladies and gentlemen, you have a wonderful time. I have some free pictures for you over here. I'll be glad to autograph. If I only have, well, I had 5 books when I came in, but I only have 4 left. And these are the last of the book that I wrote entitled Me, Thee, and TV. It tells about my childhood, how I got in show business. There's a picture of my mom in there. Roy Rogers and Dale Evans and me on the show. Me riding Old Pal. A lot of nice things. Dick Clark, Jimmy Dean, Jimmy Durante, and a lot of them. You can come over and I'll show them to you, okay? If you want to buy one, I'll be glad to autograph that to you. In the meantime, I want to thank Porky, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all. How many of you going to the cruise down Landis Avenue tomorrow? Great, great. I'm going to be looking for you there, okay? Have a wonderful time, and I'm right over there. I was going to say the table that has the pink, black, and white balloon on it. But I'll be over there signing autographs. In the meantime, Corky, thanks again, sweetheart, for inviting me. I'll see you tomorrow down there, right? Thanks for being so nice to me. And may the good Lord be blessing you and your family. Remember, I do love you lots. Love, luck, and lollipop. Bye for now.
Thank you very much. The legendary Sally Starr. We'd like to remind you once again, Sally is at 10 o'clock Sunday mornings, I believe.
10 to 1.
10 to 1 Sunday mornings on 92 First, WVLT. The best in classic country music. The good old country music. The kind we all like. We'd like to remind you, speaking of WVLT 92 First, we are doing a live remote here this evening with Mr. Bill Mazza. Bill, wave over there. Nice round of applause, VLT, Mr. Bill Mazza. Doing a live remote, we're going to have the Wheel of Fun. He'll explain that to you later. Right now, we're going to have our first set of music. We're going to play this real loose. I don't know how it's going to work out, but we'll figure it out as we go. Ladies and gentlemen, direct from Las Vegas. Las Vegas, New Jersey. It's up above Patterson. Ladies and gentlemen, Valentino and the Sheiks.
what went wrong with our love, a love that was so small. And as I still walk by, I think of the time we had together while our hearts were young. I'm a walking in the rain, he's a falling and I feel the pain, wishing you were here by me to end this misery. And I wonder why she ran away, and I wonder if she will stay. My little runaway, run, 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 run away, run, 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 run away, run, 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 run away. Thank you. Now we're going to turn things over to Mr. Gene Douglas. He's going to do an old Carl Perkins song called Boppin' the Blues.
Mikey likes it.
Mikey likes everything.
Well, all my friends are bopping the blues, and it must be going round. All them cats keep bopping the blues, and it must be going round. Well, I love you, baby, I must be rhythm bound. But you forgot me, man, I don't feel no pain. You kept up in me, man, I don't feel no pain. Oh, I love you, baby, but I'll never be the same. Well, all my friends are bopping the blues, and it must be going round. All them cats keep bopping the blues, and it must be going round. Said I love you, baby, I must be rhythm bound. Son, you don't need no pill. That doctor told me, horse, you don't need no pill. Just a handful of corners and jukebox will kill your ill. Yeah, all my friends are bopping the blues, and it must be going round. All them cats keep bopping the blues, and it must be going round. Well, I love you, baby, I must be rhythm bound. Rock bar, a rhythm and blues. A rock bar, a rhythm and blues. A rock bar, a rhythm and blues. A rock bar, a rhythm and blues. Well, the rhythm and blues, it must be going round.
Beats, ladies and gentlemen. Doing a heck of a job. Right now we're going to take a little time. I want to introduce you to somebody else very nostalgic. Very, very, very nostalgic. Who remembers before the sun would come up in the morning, you'd hear a noise outside and the bottles would rattle. The milkman would come and you'd get the milk. And you'd skim the cream off the top. Remember the cream was on the top? Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce somebody very special to you right now. And he has a very special message for you.
My dad.
If you remember the milkman from back in the 50s, you got to remember this family. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Ed Abbott. Ed Abbott. Come here, Ed. I don't know anybody didn't hear of Abbott's Dairy Farm. Ed Abbott has a very, very important message for you here tonight. You can gain from it, and his organization can gain from it. His shirt explains it all. He'll explain it a little more to you, right, Ed? Okay. Oh, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have two deals for you this evening. We have a 50-50 going right now. My wife and I are starting to come around to every table. It's one ticket for $1, 3 tickets for $2, or an whole arm's length of the longest arm you got for $5. 50% to you, the winner, and 50% to United Way. The other deal we have a 1987 Corvette convertible, bright red, has only been rained on once.
He said go to town.
We have tickets out in the lobby. We may come around with them also. And they're $1 a piece, or 15 tickets for $10 special.
You can win the
So we'll see you then.
at $1
Thank you very much.
Sign
The milkman, Mr. Ed Abbott. My buddy. He's doing the 50-50 tonight. He's very aggressive. He's going to get it up to a lot of money. You can walk away from here with a lot of cash on you. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce the first star of the evening, the first superstar of the evening. You guys are stars. We got a superstar. Did you guys know that? You know something? What I'd like to do right now, ladies and gentlemen, is introduce the band. Dave, that's Ross. Ross, it's Larry back there. Gene, that's Ross over there. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the legends, one of the I want to say grandfather, but I'd rather say godfather of rock and roll. He was there when it all started, ladies and gentlemen. He was one of the ones right there in the trenches. I met this man about 28 years ago. Believe it or not, it was 28 years ago. And the first time I heard him sing, I was a young singer trying to make some money. I heard him sing and I wanted to quit. That was it. That was it. This guy could melt butter with his voice. I'll tell you. And also kill flies. But this, in my humble opinion, is one of the best singers in the world. The lead singer of Bill Haley's Comets, Mr. Dave Linkous. He's going to rock your world.
He steps on that guitar thing.
Get out in that kitchen and rattle those pots and pans. Get out in that kitchen and rattle those pots and pans.
appreciate that. I'm
Now it's fun.
suffering
Yeah,
from a
now it's
sore
fun.
throat tonight, but Brian understands that. He's been around that business long enough to know about that. Brian and I have been friends for a lot of years, and Brian's probably one of the finest singers I've ever come across in my life. We've known each other for a long time. We've been friends for a long time. We used to work together in a country band. Brian played bass, and I don't know how much you guys know about Porky. Well, you call him Porky, we call him Juana, among other things. But I'll tell you a little story about how funny he is sometimes. We were working a club over in Pennsylvania that David's father owned, called the Brickhead Lounge once. And Brian and I decided we'd go out to breakfast the next time after we were done. So we go down to Howard Johnson's to stop to eat. we're sitting there in the booth, and this lady comes in. She's about half a crop, and she said, "Oh, you guys were up to Brickhead. You were the ones that were playing up to Brickhead, aren't you?" Brian said, "Yes, ma'am, we were." She said, "Oh, I got a son that sings." And Brian said, "You do?" She said, "Yeah, he sings just like Ernest Tubb." And Brian said, "Oh, that's too bad." You remember that?
Thank you. I thought it was not these new hedge trimmers. If he might that would have been
was born to fight me, 'cause her mom would not agree. And so I thought I'd have it home in Memphis, Tennessee. Take it home, boys.
Those people are really good.
Let's slow it down a little bit and do a Marty Robbins song. Goes like this. All you hair lady boys, try to get a good looking women out there on the dance floor and dance cheek to cheek. And when you get tired of dancing that way, you can turn around and face each other. Skip has a birthday. Let's everybody get together and sing happy birthday to Skip. In the key of G, folks. We all know where G is, don't you? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Skip. Happy birthday to you. May you live live 1,000 years. May you drink 1,000 beers. Get plastered, you. What? I wasn't going to say bastard. You bad boy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, kid. Corky said, may you live as long as you want to and want to as long as you live.
Just one. I just want some sweets.
Tell you what. Anybody here like to hear Corky sing? Oh, you gotta do better than that. He's bad. Get over here. Where do you think you're going? Come on, let's give Brian a great big hand. Let's do it for him, all right?
Oh yeah.
What do I do with this gum? I forget.
Stick it up your nose. Put it behind your ear, Brian, like you always do.
It's been a few years. I don't know if I can do this or not. We'll give it a try.
Like riding a bike.
What is this thing on my neck?
It's called a hickey.
By the way, we would like to remind you that there is management here in Nostalgia Nights Car Club is giving you free gum. Free gum after your meal. Just check under the tables and you'll find it. Let's go try this one. It's a hard one. It's in the key of C. That's 3 up from the big end. Kiss me, my darling, be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never. My love won't wait. Just like a willow, we would cry an ocean. Lost true love and sweet devotion. I've spent a lifetime waiting for the right time. Now that you're near, the time is here at last. It's now or never. Come hold me tight. Darling, be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too smile so tender. My heart was captured. My soul surrendered. I spent a lifetime waiting for the right time. And now that you're near, the time is here. And it's now or never. Come hold me tight. Kiss me, my darling. Be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never. My love won't wait. It's now or never. My love won't wait. It's now or never. My love won't wait. Somewhere there should be for all the world to see the statue of a fool made of stone. The image of a man let love slip through his hand. And then just let him stand there all alone. And there on his face a gold tear should be played to honor the million tears he's cried. And the hurt in his eyes would show, so everyone would know. And see you is a broken heart inside. So build a statue and hold it high, so
on, Corky. Get back here.
Come on, Brian.
Come on.
Come on, do one more.
You better pay attention to what you're doing. There you are.
Larry, Promised Land.
Oh. All right, Larry wants to do this one for Barry. Thank you very much. Dave's going to do something for you.
I'm wondering. Hey, is it coming? I'm wondering if any of you guys ever heard this song before. Is it coming? It's coming. It's on its way. Here it is. 1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. You can't say no. Join me home. Have a fun with the clock like one. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Rock, rock, rock. We're rock daylight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. When the clock strikes 6, and 4 hits, and goes down to the girl some more. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Rock, rock, rock.
back again for another short set? You think so? You want him back for another short set? All right, take a break, get something to drink, relax. Dave, Linkous, everybody. Valentino and the Sheets, let's give him a nice round of applause. How you gonna leave? How you gonna leave if you're playing? Come on, real quick. All right, Valentino and the Sheets, everybody. They're gonna be back again for another short set. Right now, we have a few people I'd like to introduce you to. Number one, Mr. Dave Linkous with Valentino and the Sheets. Falling for some girl, I hop right into that car, man, and I drive around the world. Hey, I'm the wanderer, they call me the wanderer. I roam around, 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 around.
right here. I can miss it whenever you're near. On my own, should I wander through this wonderland alone, never knowing my right foot from my left, my hand from my glove? I'm too distant and too much in love. You can say that you're leading me on. Oh, that's just what I want you to do. Don't you notice how hopelessly I'm lost? That's why I'm following you. On my own, should I wander through this wonderland alone, never knowing my right foot from my left, my hand from my glove? I'm too distant and too much in love. You can say that you're leading me on. Oh, that's just what I want you to do. Don't you notice how hopelessly I'm lost? That's why I'm following you. Walk my way, and 1,000 violins began to play. Or it might be the sound of this music I hear. I get misty whenever you're near. Here's all the guys, newfound sax player, doing a thing called Night Train.
Johnny Guido. Johnny Guido. Fine job, my man. I got an old friend out there that used to have a group around here, him and his brother. And I'd like to get him up here and sing a song for you. Some of you people might remember Cecil and Sonny Caudell. Cecil's sitting out there. Come on up here and do a song for us, Cecil. Cecil. Come on up here and do a song for us.
Welcome to my world. Won't you come on in? Miracles, I guess, still happen now and then. Step into my heart. Leave your cares behind. Welcome to my world. What? How do you want to do it? How do you want to do it? I want to do it Ross's way. We had a request. I didn't want to do this again, but I will. It's called You Gave Me a Mountain. I don't know if I remember it, but we'll try. Where are we going to be? G or A or? Do it in A. We'll split it right in the middle. I was roped into this.
How many Marty Robbins versions?
Arrangements while you wait. Born in the heat of the desert, my mother died, giving me life. Deprived of the love of a father, blamed for the loss of his wife. You know I've been in a prison for something that I've never done. It's been one hell after another. I climb them all one by one. Oh, but this time, Lord, you gave me a mountain. A mountain I may never climb. It isn't on a hill any longer. You gave me a mountain this time. My woman got tired of the heartaches, tired of the grief and the strife, so tired of working for nothing, just tired of being my wife. He took my one ray of sunshine, she took my pride and my joy. She took my reason for living. She took my small baby boy. Oh, but this time, Lord, you gave me a mountain. A mountain I may not climb. It isn't over a hill Dave Linkous is going to get up, finish up the night. But first, Dave Linkous with Valentino and the Sheets is going to take you out. What are you going to do? He's going to do whatever you want.
I'll tell you what.
Whatever you want to do, take us out.
You know, I looked at this head broke over here. That's the one that... Here we go.
Daddy.
There we go.
Dad.
What?
Move up, so I gotta see.
It's broke. It broke. It broke. It broke. I will do this one though. This one over.
Folks, here's David to do Wild Days.
All right, Barry, where are you, Barry? You stay there. I'm going back. We're going to make everything over for you. Mike, don't it? I got this mic from Brian.
I don't have an old car. I have a 79.
We're not asking you to bring truck tires in here, pal.
I have a 79 C28 Camaro. Is that not old
too
enough,
new?
guys?
Is that too
Bring
new?
it.
Can he come to the party tomorrow?
I can bring it.
That sounds good.
All right. If it's really, the sun's out, and I'm bringing my Harley. I'm bringing my Harley.
Bringing his Harley.
87 Softail Custom for anybody that knows.
You saw him the other night there, and you wondered what motorcycle group he was. He was wearing the Emeralds jacket on. So I never heard of that.
I'm trying to talk these guys.
Hell's Emeralds.
Wait, Sally wants to
figure it out.
Sally's saying something.
Hold it, hold the phone. Those of you who want a CD and a cassette for 15 buckaroos, right? He's coming in. Line up right over here behind this gentleman. Have your 15 bucks ready, and we'll take it. Okay? There you go.
Thank you, Sally. Thank you.
Thanks, Sal.
And we're going to sing to you.
I just want you to know we're selling them wholesale. That's a wholesale price, that $15.
Wop, wop, doodle wop, 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 doodle wop, wop, wop. Crazy little mama coming, knocking at my front door. Crazy little mama coming, knocking at my front door. Just like she did before. I woke up this morning with the feeling of despair, looking for my baby, but she wasn't there. Heard someone knocking, rushed to my surprise. There stood my baby, looking in my eyes. Crazy little mama coming, knocking, just like she did before. If you got a little mama and you wanna keep her neat, keep your little mama off my street. The same thing will happen like it did before. She coming, knocking at my door. Crazy little mama coming, knocking, just like she did before. I say, yeah, crazy little mama coming, knocking, bro, knocking at my front door. Crazy little mama coming, knocking at my front door. Just like she did before. If you got a little mama and you wanna keep her neat, the same thing will happen like it did before. She gonna knock at my door. Just like she did before. Crazy little mama coming, knocking at my front door. Crazy little mama coming, knocking at my front door. Crazy little mama coming, just like she did before.
Thank you.
All right. Very nice. Now, if you all want to come up and dance, it's okay. I want you to have a good time. That's what the Emeralds are all about.
Everybody having a good time out there? Yeah. I'll tell you, I'm a car nut from way back. My first car was a 55 Mercury. Everybody knows a 55 Mercury looks like big bullets. They look like, should I say Hooters? Yeah, they look like big Hooters in front of the car. Anyway, graduated to a 66 Comet, and then from there to a 70 GTX. Ooh, yeah, good shit. Anybody out there got Mopars? Fords? I hope I see a Mercury tomorrow, or a GTX. Or even a Roadrunner, you know. I love those.
Yes, sir. First one. We're going to do a little tune here now. We're an a cappella group, and there's a group called Frankie the Fashions, they sing a cappella. They've got a song on the charts. He just put it out 6 years ago, and it is already number 10 on the all-time doo-wop list. It's a beautiful slow tune. Please, you're invited to bring the missus, bring the honey, bring the pretty young lady up on the floor with you. It's a little song called What I Gotta Do.
Time and again I have told you how much I love you. Time and again I showed you how I care for you. I'll return my calls, and it's breaking my heart, breaking my heart, breaking my heart in two. I never meant to hurt you. You know I love you. I made just one mistake, and it wasn't planned. If we could talk it over, if you just listen, then I know we could work it out, and you'd understand. Just tell me, what do I have to do to make it up to you, to hold you in my arms one more time? What do I have to do? I promise to be true, to have it in this way would be a crime. I'll close this letter asking you to forgive me. Fold it, address it, and seal it with my tears. Please just tell me, what do I have to do? Whoa, what do I have to do to all your sadness disappear? Please just tell me, what do I have to do? Whoa, what do I have to do to all your sadness disappear? What I gotta do? Yo, what I gotta do? Thank you. Thank you. Frankie and the Fashions. Frankie and the Fashions. What a beautiful tune that was. All right. Here's a little doo-wop acapella type tune, eh? Oh yeah. My Juanita. I love you, love you, love you, love you. Everybody, give me some of this. Like that. A little bit more. Come on. A little bit more. Wah, wah, shoo, shoo, shoo. Wah, wah, shoo, shoo, shoo. Wah, wah, shoo, shoo, shoo. Juanita, wah, wah, shoo, shoo, shoo. Wah, wah, shoo, shoo, shoo. Wah, wah, shoo, shoo, shoo. Please be mine. Please be mine. Juanita, wah, wah, shoo, love you sincerely. Wah, wah, shoo, shoo. Oh, darling, dearly. Wah, wah, shoo, shoo. Please be mine. Please be mine. Oh, you know I love you so. And I'll never, never, never let you Loved you sincerely, I watched you. Oh, darling, dearly, I watched you. Change your ways be mine.